welcome to Franco's experiments. So today we're going to catch a bubble with our gloves. So we need water. We do not need these, and we need this soap, and we do not need the spoon, and we need the magic wand. So I already have my dish soap and the dish soap in the water. Now I'm gonna mix them with this, and now all we need to do is stand up and blow carefully. And try to catch it by how you see. Add more of this, and now just put it in there. Oh my! And this is how you catch a bubble with your gloves. Look at it. Until it pops. You could hold it for a long time. You'll see, like, you can bounce it to your other hands, like this. Mix it more and catch it. And now, if you want more dish soap and you do not mix, the more bigger the bubble gets. That just popped. But add more dish soap with the one if you want to start it again. And you will see that you can catch it in your other hand. Look.